Okay, kids. Hi. So we're gonna show you my KooKoo stats. So look, this is one of them. Oh wait, I almost forgot. I already took it out last time. So I remember I took it out. So now we're gonna show this one. Now what's gonna happen? Why not coming? Oh, I've been taking a long time to come out. Somebody help me. So, okay, I just lost the egg. So hard to take out. Oh no, I lost another egg. Oh my god, no. No, let me try and find it. Oh, good. This who cares, kids. The egg is stuck, you're not going to get it. And this one is Theo. He doesn't have one. He only got this. So you ever want to see it? I'm just going to show you guys. So I got these ones and this and these. So these 3 birds we got. These 3 birds. This one is this one. Then this little one. This one next. Up here. So take this one. And then this one. The egg. And then after it's him. I take him and put here. And then this is the other one. These are and this is the little bro. Up and down here. Everybody see him. He's over here. So you want to see all my things? Just click to Adam Focus and bye bye. See you next time.